Picture yourself at your cousin's big fat Indian wedding. Suddenly, out of nowhere, a call crashes the celebrations. A medical emergency at home. What happens next? In India, when a huge hospital bill lands, it's like an uninvited guest who arrives hungry and wipes out your savings without warning. Most of us scramble, breaking fixed deposits, phoning distant relatives, even digging out cash hidden in that old Lifebuoy soap box. Auntie's daily good morning message chain now becomes a plea for financial help. Medical emergencies catch us off guard every single time. Why do we always end up in panic mode? Because prevention takes a backseat. We'll do it, tomorrow is just part of our routine. But imagine flipping the story, walking into a hospital, cool as a cucumber, ready for anything. You only need 3 things: an emergency fund for at least 6 months of living, reliable personal health insurance with good coverage, at least rupee 5 lakh, and store your medical records digitally for easy access. Hospital bills may come like fast bowlers, but you'll defend like Kohli and attack like Sehwag, prepared for every delivery. Remember, India's best life hack is planning ahead. Otherwise, those hospital bills could rival a wedding feast. Be prepared, not surprised. Like, subscribe, and share today. Protect yourself and your friends from medical emergencies turning into financial potholes.